बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faisan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Exercise 4.8 question number 8, class 9 maths, chapter number 4, Factorization, Sindh Board. We are going to learn factor theorem. Okay, so the also book answers and the steps are written. First step is find factor of x. Find factor of px. Okay, so here will become px is equal to 2x cube plus 9x square plus 10x plus 3. Okay, so here will become x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, now we will put values plus 9 minus 1 square plus 10 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, then it will be minus 1 plus 9 1 minus 10 plus 3. Then it will minus 2 plus 9 minus 10 and plus 3. We will rearrange. Okay, so this will be become minus 2 minus 10 plus 9 plus 3. This will be bracket minus 12 will be plus 9 plus 3. Then minus 3 plus 3 will be remaining. This will be cut and answer will become 0. So we have finally taken it over this 0 and this is our answer. Answer not, this is correct and finally we have taken out our 0 answer. So the value of px is equal to x plus 1 and the second step is find qx and r by scientific division. Okay, so now we will do like this, make this, and here will come minus 1, 2, 9, 10, 3. 2, 9, 10, 3. Okay, 2.2 minus plus minus 2 1 are 2, 9 minus 2 7, minus plus a minus 7, 10 minus 7 3, minus plus a minus 3 1 are 3 cut 0. So the remainder will be 0 and the 2 7 3. 3 is equal to 3 and 7 multiplied by x square is equal to 7x square, not x square, x. So multiply by x square equal to 2x. Understood? So here we will write 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, now we have done this. Now we are going to do now the third step. Okay, third step, find factor division. Okay, now first of all we will write the formula. Okay, now we will write Px is equal to, yes, x plus 1, 2x square plus 7x, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Then this, now we will do the middle term from this. So I have found already the factor. So the factor is plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. Okay. Now we will take the common. So 2 1s are 2x plus the 6 plus then here will come 1 2x plus 1, then here plus 3, and finally we have taken out our answer. So our answer is, I will tell you, first of all I have no space, that's why I have removed it. Now I will tell you my answer. So my answer is x plus 1 then 2x plus 1 then x plus 3, and this is our answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. X plus 1, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, 2x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 3. Okay, this is correct. Okay, no like, no subscribe, only share.